Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create record type to control pick list value and page layout in Salesforce, where we have learned how to control the pick list value and assign different page layout to different record type in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce Lightning. So follow these steps to create matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce. First, go to the setup page of the Salesforce. Then search rule into the quick find search box. Here we will be creating the matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce. First, we will be creating a matching rule. Then, this matching rule we will be call inside the duplicate rule in Salesforce. So here is the screenshot of the matching rule and duplicate rule. So first we will be create matching rule. So select the matching rule and there is a button to create a new matching rule, new rule. And after that we will be create a duplicate rule. Here is a button to create a duplicate rule. So first we will be select the object name. Then this matching rule will be applied into the duplicate rule. So friends, let's jump to my Salesforce or where we will be create live demo example of the matching rule and duplicate rule in Salesforce. So let's get start. So friends, this is my Salesforce developer org. First go to the setup, click here, then quick find search box, search rule. Then you will be get duplicate rule and matching rule. First we will be create a matching rule. Then this matching rule we will be apply to the duplicate rule. So select matching rule. This is a button to create a new matching rule. There are three matching rule already created. This is a standard matching rule created by the Salesforce. Now I am creating a new matching rule to create this button. Object. Select your object. So I am selecting student. This is the object of the custom. This is a custom object. Then go next. Write the name of the matching rule. So if you going to the student object and go to the all of record, there four record already created. So here I will be filter the duplicate name. If user created a same name to new record in this object, the duplicate rule will be fired and it not allowed to create a duplicate. Here I am selecting a student object, write the name of the rule. So rule name is a student matching rule. Student matching rule. This is the name of the rule. Unique name will be automatically populated. And here is the option to write a filter of the condition. So I am filtering name of the student. So select name and exact match. If name will be exact match, then the system do not allow to create new record with the same name and match blank fields. So leave as it is. Now save. Then active. So after creating a matching rule, activate this matching rule. Press OK. Now go to the duplicate rule. Select duplicate rule. There is a button to create a new duplicate rule. And here is the option to select your object name. So I am creating a duplicate rule on the student. Select student. Write the name of the duplicate rule. Student duplicate rule. This is the name of the duplicate rule. And here object name is student and record level security enforce sharing rule or bypass sharing rule. So I am leaving as it is. And in the action, there are three options. action on create, action on edit, alert text. If you select allow, then system will be display a duplicate rule alert message, but it will be allowed to create duplicate record. And this is a edit or action on edit. So if you select allow, then if you edit the record and check mark this alert and report, then system will be display the alert message. This is a duplicate record, but system will be allowed to create a new record. And here is a compare a student with student matching rule. Here is the option to matching rule. So if you click here, your matching rule will be visible here. So my matching rule is student matching rule. So I am selecting matching rule. This is recently I created matching rule, a student matching rule. So select your matching rule from here, and here is a condition. So optionally specify the condition a record must meet for the rule to run. If you want to bypass some of the condition, you can put here. So for now I am leaving as it is. So first time I allow to the duplicate rule, it will be visible the message as a alert. This is a duplicate, but system will be allow. So let me save and activate this duplicate rule. After activating this duplicate rule, go to your student object. This is a student object. Let me select all. There are 4 record already created. So Manish, Mohan, Rohan and Vijay. Now I am creating a new record with Manish. Click on new. Write the name of the student, and here you can find similar record exist. And if you click on the view duplicate, it will be display which record you are match. So Manish name record already created. So duplicate rule fire, and it is a throw as a message of alert. Similar record exist, but in the duplicate rule I allow. So if I click on the save button, record will be created in the system. So here you can see there are 2 Manish created. So my duplicate rule fired the alert, but it is allowed to create duplicate record. Now let me go to the duplicate rule, and here I will be change allowed to block. Edit the duplicate rule. Now I will be block, and on the if you try to edit the record, it will be also will be fire block. So this time duplicate will be fire. Display the message. This is duplicate, but user cannot create duplicate record with the same name. Now let me save. Now go to the student object and try to create with same name, Manish. Click new, write the name of the student, and here you can find similar record exist. If you go to the view duplicate, it will be find 2 record, Manish and Manish. There are 2 record with same name already created in the system. Now this time I block the action for the created record on the editor record. So now I am saving the record. Now I am saving this record. It will not allow to create a new record with the same name. You cannot save this record because duplicate record already exists. So whenever I am clicking on the save button, system does not allow to create with same name new record. If I change block, if I change allow to block, and simply if I am editing the same record, go to the Manish, I am trying So there are Mohan, Manish and Manish. So now I am trying to edit Manish to Mohan with the same name. Let me see my duplicate would fire or not. Edit the page. Now I am changing Manish to Mohan and save. Here you can see if I am trying to edit with same name, system does not allow to edit with the same name. So my duplicate rule is fire. So do not allow to create with the same name in the system. In this lesson, we have to learn how to create a matching rule, how to create a duplicate rule, and we have called matching rule into the duplicate rule. So we can show the alert message if you want to display the duplicate record, and we will be add a multiple condition with a different field. If you want to display alert message with the name and email, so write a condition in the matching rule. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org to create a matching rule and duplicate rule. And if you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply search TechW3 Wave. And here you will be get my channel name TechW3 Wave. Click here and go to the videos. Here you will be get many more video like Lightning Auto Component, Visual Force Page, Salesforce, Lightning Flow Builder, Salesforce LWC. So here you will be get live demo real-time scenario that is working in Office. So you will be get very helpful in your project if you subscribe my channel. So please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you so much.